me, I want to help my Filipinos have the opportunity in the Philippines para they will magpamahan sa banks. There's so much in your life. Basta give yourself a chance. You have to just get out of your comfort zone. I was telling earlier sa inyo, when you get out of your comfort zone, syempre, kung gagawin mo, hindi ka comfortable kasi hindi ka sanay. Right? Diba? But when you keep doing it, hindi comfortable din. But I promise you, your journey is going to be amazing kasi you will discover mga potential di mo mawalan din mo na-discover. Kaya mo man siya ng plano sa game mo, bawat isa sa atin binigyan niya ng potential to serve people, to glorify Him, and you can use Herbalife as your vehicle. So 29 years, amazing journey for me. Karon, so pinaganda na ng benefits, no? And of course, you living your best version.